Warren Buffett is known for his simple yet profound advice on how to be successful investing. So in this video, I will be sharing profound steps you need to take to become rich, the Warren Buffett way, starting from zero. If you do find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed for more financial videos like this. Let's begin. Step 1. Planning. Imagine standing at the foot of a mountain, looking up at the peak, and wondering how you'll ever get there. The journey to wealth can seem just as daunting. But Warren Buffett, the first richest investor, has a method to make that climb manageable: the 5-25 rule. Applying this rule will help in writing your financial goals and enable you to create systems to plan how to achieve these goals. Planning is the foundation of any successful journey, and wealth building is no exception. Here's how you can apply it in detail. Start by taking some quiet time to reflect on what you truly want to achieve. Write down your top 25 life goals that will help become rich. These could span various aspects of your life: career, financial, personal development, health, relationships, hobbies, or travel. Don't rush this process. Take the time to really think about what you need to do to become rich. Once you have your list, go through it carefully and circle the 5 most important goals that are essential to your wealth journey. These are the ones that resonate deeply with you and will have the most significant impact on your financial life, that will drive you to get out of bed every morning with purpose. Now, this is the hard part. You need to ignore the other 20 goals. Yes, it's tough to put aside things that you're passionate about, but spreading your energy too thin will dilute your efforts, as focus as a skill is a valuable asset to be successful easier and faster. By focusing exclusively on your top 5 goals, you channel all your resources, time, and energy into making substantial progress on what truly matters. Focus eliminates distractions and helps you stay committed to your most important goals. You'll find that by zeroing in on these top 5 goals, you'll achieve them faster and with greater quality than if you tried to juggle all 25 at once. Step 2. Start early and learn as you go. The earlier you start your journey to wealth, the better, and Warren Buffett is a prime example of this principle. He purchased his first stock at the age of 11, and this early start gave him a tremendous advantage. Now, you don't have to be a child prodigy to start your journey, but the earlier you begin, the better. Time is your greatest ally because it allows your investments to grow and compound. What matters is that you start now. Begin by investing in your education. Knowledge is your greatest weapon to win in the world of investing. Read extensively about personal finance and investment strategies. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and of course any of Warren Buffett's shareholder letters are excellent starting points. These resources will give you a solid foundation in financial literacy. Don't limit yourself to books. There are countless videos, podcasts, and online courses available that can help you understand the intricacies of investing. Platforms like YouTube offer valuable content for free. Knowledge is not static. It's dynamic and constantly evolving and changing. Start small and learn as you go. Don't wait until you feel like you know everything or earning enough income to start investing, because that day will never come. Open a brokerage account and begin by investing in index funds, which offer broad market exposure and are less risky than individual stocks. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can start to diversify your portfolio with other investments like stocks and real estate. One of the best ways to learn is by doing, so start to invest and track your investments, monitor their performance, and analyze what works and what doesn't. Take advantage of compounding, stay curious, and never stop learning. Step 3. Live below your means and practice frugality. Warren Buffett is a billionaire who still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. This isn't because he's stingy. It's because he understands the importance of living below his means. Practicing frugality is about making smart financial decisions that allow you to save and invest more of your income. Living below your means starts with understanding your financial situation. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials like dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. Look for areas where you can cut back. Can you cook more meals at home instead of eating out? Can you find cheaper alternatives for your entertainment? Perhaps you can downsize your living space or drive a more economical or purchase a used car rather than a brand new one. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Embrace the mindset of value over cost. This means looking for quality and longevity rather than just the cheapest option. Sometimes spending a bit more upfront on a durable item can save you money in the long run because it won't need to be replaced as often. This applies to everything from clothing to household items to electronics. Another aspect of frugality is avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it can be tempting to upgrade your lifestyle accordingly. Nicer car, bigger house, more luxuries. But if you keep your lifestyle modest even as your earnings grow, you'll have a larger surplus to invest. Frugality isn't about depriving yourself of joy. It's about making intentional choices that prioritize long-term financial health over short-term gratification. The money you save by living below your means can be invested, allowing it to grow and compound over time, bringing you closer to financial independence. Step 4. Earning and saving. Before you can invest, you need to build up your capital, and this means focusing on both earning and saving. This step is fundamental because it provides the resources you need to begin your investment journey. If you're starting from zero, the first thing you need to do is find ways to earn money. This could be through a traditional job, freelancing, starting a side hustle, or a combination of these. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to earn additional income. Platforms like Amazon KDP, Fiverr, and Etsy allow you to leverage your skills and interests to generate income. The key is to maximize your earning potential by diversifying your income streams. Once you have a steady income, the next crucial step is saving a significant portion of it. Aim to save at least 20–30% of your income. This might sound challenging to some, but it's essential for building the capital you'll need for investing. To achieve this, you need to be disciplined and prioritize your savings. One effective strategy is to automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account every month. This way, you're paying yourself first and ensuring that your savings are consistent. Step 5. Smart investing using the circle of competence. Once you've accumulated some savings, it's time to put your money to work through smart investing, and Warren Buffett's approach to investing is both simple and profound. He emphasizes investing within your circle of competence, the area where you have the most knowledge and understanding. This principle helps mitigate risk because you're more likely to make informed decisions. Begin by investing in broad market, less risky investments like index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds offer diversification and reduce the risk associated with individual stocks. They are a great way to get started because they provide exposure to a wide range of companies, and they generally have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. As you grow more confident and knowledgeable, you can then start investing in individual stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, a durable competitive advantage, or moat, competent management, and a history of consistent performance. Buffett is a proponent of value investing.
Well, the 58 years we've been running Berkshire, I would say there's been a great increase in the number of people doing dumb things, and they do big dumb things. And the reason they do it to some extent is because they can get money from other people so much easier than when we started. So you could start 10 or 15 dumb insurance companies in the last 10 years, and you could become rich.
Buying stocks that are undervalued relative to their intrinsic worth. To identify such stocks, learn to analyze financial statements, understand key financial ratios, and follow market trends. Diversification is another critical aspect of smart investing. While it's essential to stay within your circle of competence, it's also important to diversify your investments to spread risk. Don't put all your money into a single stock or investment. Diversify across different industries and asset classes to protect your portfolio from market volatility. Step 6. Reinvesting your profits. Reinvesting your profits is the cornerstone of building substantial wealth. This practice allows you to leverage the power of compounding, where your earnings generate additional earnings, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation over time. When you earn dividends or capital gains from your investments, resist the temptation to spend them. Instead, reinvest these profits back into your investment portfolio. This could mean buying more shares of the same stocks, purchasing new stocks, or even investing in different asset classes like bonds or real estate. Reinvesting is about having a long-term perspective. The gains might seem small initially, but over time, the compounded growth can lead to exponential increases in your wealth. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual return of 8% after 20 years, with continuous reinvestment of your returns and yearly additional contribution of $1,000, that initial $1,000 could grow to over $50,000. The longer you allow your investments to compound, the more significant the growth. So, automate your reinvestments if possible. Many brokerage accounts offer automatic dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, that use your dividends to purchase additional shares of the same stock without any commission fees. This ensures that every penny is working for you and contributing to your wealth-building efforts. Planning, earning, saving, investing, and reinvesting are the building blocks of Warren Buffett's path to becoming rich from zero. By following these principles and staying disciplined and patient in your financial goals, you can set yourself on a fulfilling journey towards becoming rich and attaining financial freedom.